I'll give you some tips about Lenovo T480. Did you ever have trouble turning on your laptop because water spilled on it or any other liquids or any other reason? So if you want to know how you can fix this problem and get your laptop back in shape, please watch this video till the end. If this happened because water spilled on it, then first what you're going to do is immediately take out the battery. Then get a dry cloth and wipe the battery and the laptop. And then for the remaining moisture, you use a hairdryer. Make sure you dry off every side because the hairdryer can even suck out little bits of water inside the laptop. So it will be really helpful. Now it's time to put the battery back. And now let's try to turn it on. In this case, it does not turn on. So what we're gonna do is, you're going to press the up arrow button and the turn on button both at the same time for at least 20 seconds. If these steps do not work, then it means it's time for you to reset your computer. And now I will show you how to reset your computer. So what you're going to do is close your laptop, flip it, and you'll see a little pinhole. So what you're gonna do is get a pin and put it in that hole and press it tightly for at least 10 seconds. Now it's time to turn it on again. Now you can see it's working. Okay guys, I hope these tips will be helpful for you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to comment down below in the comment section. And if you want to get more updates about my new videos, so please subscribe to my channel, Aahana the Wonder Girl. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get all the notifications. Okay guys, bye bye!